but it's alright.
He's trying to put the shoes on.
This is so
funny. He's trying to put Puppy's shoes on. What do you want to do? Then go over there then. They'll make it easier for you. Okay.
You got it?
I can't help. Sorry, mate. We got in the wrong one. There we go. You got Puppy's shoe. Good boy.
Damn. Excuse me. This is hot.
You have to boil the tea.
You pulled it up, Coop.
Cooper. Cooper. Turn around and say hello.
Over there, Mommy.
Over here. Okay, ready? Stand by yourself. Cooper, stand by yourself and say, Mama? You're so disinterested. You are silly.
Put it on Puppy.
Put
Put it on. Well, I can show you.
Sorry, hold on.
I have